If you spend long hours in front of your PC enhancing images and solving various design tasks, you will benefit from using the best keyboard for photo editing. A good keyboard is essential for advanced retouching tasks and can significantly enhance your productivity. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for photo editing keyboard. With so many different editing keyboard on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best photo editing keyboard, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 photo editing keyboard on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. LoopDeck Photo Editing Console. You won't face any difficulties when memorizing its layout, as its main keys and controls are extremely easy to use. It's suitable both for photo and video editors as it allows you to adjust all the settings in a breeze. You can also use several editing features simultaneously. All the commands are applied without a delay. This keyboard for Lightroom boasts an ergonomic design which adds to a more comfortable photo editing experience. It enables you to access all the editing features more quickly. You can edit your photos in a full-screen mode. The keyboard has advanced options that can be further customized to your liking. Product number 2. LoopDeck Editing Console for Photo. The manufacturers have ensured that this model will be perfect for those who work in Final Cut Pro X, Adobe Lightroom Classic, Photoshop CC with Camera Raw, After Effects, Audition, Streamlabs, Ableton Live 10, Premiere Pro CC and Illustrator. The LoopDeck CT features several pre-customized profiles that are created for different workspaces. By using each of them, you can easily achieve your goals thanks to dedicated shortcuts. Advanced users can pre-program almost all the keys to access the necessary tools more quickly. With this photo editing keyboard, you can simplify your workflow by using a full-screen mode and other options available thanks to LoopDeck's native software. Product number 3. Arteck HB192 Universal Keyboard. With this keyboard, you can quickly switch between 3 devices in one click. It comes with many ergonomic features and is made of stainless steel for better durability. The keys are low profile and full-sized, which accounts for more comfortable typing. It has a set of arrow keys and a numpad. You can use shortcuts to make your edits even more efficient. One of the main advantages of this keyboard is its impressive compatibility with other devices. It can be used with all operating systems that allow using a Bluetooth connection, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android. You can connect it to your PC, laptop, iPad, iPhone, Android smartphone and various tablets, Samsung Galaxy, Surface. Product number 4. Adobe Illustrator AI USB Keyboard. Being quite portable, this Arteck keyboard measures 18.19 by 6.5 by 1.3 inches. As it weighs less than half of a pound, it's easy to carry around. Featuring a lithium battery that can be recharged via a USB cable, this best keyboard for photo editing can last up to 6 months between charges if you use it for a few hours daily without backlight. This option is more suitable for travel than for office use. It has a standard layout with a set of alphanumeric keys. Besides, you can use function keys and a Windows key that doubles as a command 1 in Mac OS and iOS. LED indicators allow you to quickly check if a device is charging. You can also see if a caps lock is activated and how much battery life is left. Product number 5. Microsoft Natural Ergonomic Keyboard. This ergonomic model has a special shape that allows you to find the perfect position for your hands. When you use this photography keyboard, your pointer fingers will be above the F and J keys. Thus, you will be able to reach all the specific keys with less effort. You won't experience muscle strain thanks to the wrist rest with a bulge in the center that helps you keep your hands apart. Microsoft assures that this neutral wrist position is the most beneficial for your health and productivity. Besides impressive ergonomic features, this keyboard boasts remarkable build quality, offers the maximum level of comfort and comes with a set of useful features.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price, and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.